Good afternoon. My name is Tyler Fears, and today I'll be doing a video on advanced searches that can be done on the internet. And one of the websites that I've chosen is Google. Though that's one of the ones from the video that I saw earlier in the semester, giving tips and information on advanced internet searching. So I thought I'd be able to give up give a showcase of it. So first, go to the website Google, obviously, and then you go to settings right here in this corner, and it gives you the option for search settings, advanced search. And within your advanced search, you can find a page that has a series of words or specific words that you're looking for, an exact word or phrase for the particular site that you're looking for, any words exactly that might be on the site that you're looking for, but it'd probably be better to use like an exact, just so you can find exactly what you might be looking for. You can also choose to exclude words that you might not be looking for to find your specific page. Mm, the languages, the vast library of languages that Google has, the region particular that you're looking for, last time it was updated, the specific website or domain that you're looking for. So maybe it could be an old post or old article, old video, in the exact format that you're looking for, if it is a file that is on the internet, and the usage rights. So right here, we can look for, it's NBA season, so I'm gonna look for LeBron James. We'll put NBA champion, and we'll put one, we'll put winner, and we can put maybe cheat, and we can search Bleacher Report champion mix, NBA champion LeBron James, King James. Not exactly what I was looking for, but still brings up what I might be looking for. And that is one of them on Google. Another, Twitter. Excuse the post if I can hide it. Yeah, I can't hide it. But right here, you go to a search, and last thing I searched was Nike. So after searching for Nike, if you want to do an advanced search, it would be right here, and you would click advanced search. So within the advanced search, you can be looking for exactly all the words that might be pertaining that can help narrow your search for the particular post that you might be looking for, the exact phrase, any words probably particular to the post that can help you find it, and none of the words that aren't in the post that might bring up other posts and certain hashtags. You can also limit it to specific accounts if you know the user accounts and who the accounts are talking to. and the specific time that it started until when the thread's finished. And so I will type in another LeBron James, King James. And so we don't pull up any religious posts. We can put NBA Finals. We can put Los Angeles Lakers. And we can exclude God, Bible, and first. I am a Christian, by the way. Not trying to exclude any religion. And we can go from January to December of he came to the late again. Oh shoot. Don't go back that far. We can go 2007 all the way up until 2016. We search. Right here they have King James, Lakers. And these are just more recent, relevant, like the top threaded posts within my search. Do the latest. And I feel like this narrowed down to what I was looking for because it's posts pertaining to the Los Angeles Lakers and LeBron James and their teams and talking about them as potential champions. And those are two websites that I have found to be able to use the advanced search that is pretty useful from what I learned earlier in the semester. Thank you.